Hey guys, thank you so much for coming back to MojaveKY. Really happy to have you. Really happy to have a camera that functions. Got my DSLR back so I can do a proper video for you guys. Hey, unboxing today. I think, normally I do some unboxings. This one I think you really should pay special attention to. DinoWax definitely is a sponsor of mine, but this one should be really cool. I think a lot of you guys have been interested in doing this, and if you're not considering the DinoWax stuff, I really don't understand why, because when you hear the price point of this product, I think you'll give it a try, and then take the discount that you get from using my code and make it even cheaper. Seriously, you should try it. All right, so let's open this up. I know what this is. Again, DinoWax is a sponsor of mine, so they sent this to me. Really awesome of them to do that. I wish I had it before CamaroCon, but I didn't, so no worries. All right. Oh. Okay, so the ceramic signature series. Holy Toledo, I didn't actually think they were gonna send me this one. All right, so man, I'm excited. Not sure how to open this up. Just slide this out maybe? Oh, no, it's fancy. Holy Toledo, dude. Wow, okay. So we've got a few things in here. Oh man, this is nice. Dude, this is glass. I don't know. Let me see if you can see this. But anyway, let's get this going. All right. So, yeah, this is a glass bottle. This is fancy. So this is the serum prep. You'd be familiar with this stuff. It makes anytime it hits iron ferrous, it makes it purple. So you spray this. You need to get all the iron off your car. So that's what this is for. Okay, we got a booster. Again, glass. That's awesome. Okay, I'm really stoked. So you have a booster. So this is to go over the top of the ceramic coating. This kind of finishes it off and makes sure that you hit any spots. You know, if you missed a little bit because you couldn't see, this fills in the gaps for you. So it's like cheater fluid. I don't know what else to call it. All right, and this is the serum. So this is, how many ounces is this? I don't know how, I can't really read it, I'm sorry guys. But that's the serum itself. Man, these are nice. So this is the signature series box. I'd have been too cheap, honestly, to buy this for myself. A little applicator pad here. Man, this is nice, really nice. All right guys, so they did an amazing job with this. I'll go over each one of the things and the price points so you can see them, but I kind of missed it because I didn't check underneath. You know, this is kind of the main piece that they sent me. This is the signature series one, so this is their top of the line one. But I didn't check under the box. Should have checked under the box. So, little air freshener. That's kind of nice. I like that. DinoWax sticker, which is sweet. DinoWax magnet, which I have on the refrigerator, so now I guess I have two. A couple like serum ones that kind of neat. Kind of say that your car was done with the serum. Couple, you can't get this stuff on yourself, so a couple gloves and like this one was kind of like something you would clean your lenses with, but that's really nice. And then a nice fiber towel. It looks like it's edgeless, so might actually need to get a few more of those. One towel is never enough for me.
All right, so let's look at the different ones. There's just the 2-ounce ceramic coating packs. You're really getting the ceramic and a couple applicators. That's all that's coming in there. You would need some other stuff in order to get it working. The second one is essentially doubling the ceramic coating, so you get 4 ounces, so that should be enough for 2 cars. You can see the price, right? $27.49, really great pricing. But again, you need some stuff. This is the full signature series. This is the one I showed you. It has most of the things that you need, except a few of the things that I think you need for the prep. So let's go over some of those things that I think you're going to need for the prep. Okay, so if you're kind of building your own, right? So you're going to have to wash it. You probably already have some sort of wash that you can use, but if you're using the wash and wax, $8, dilute it 3 to 1, great value again. You're going to need the serum prep, so it's $12 for 32 ounces. You can also use this for your rims, so I'm buying this to also use to clean the iron off my rims. You're going to need cleaning polish, $12, so you'll have to either do this hand or machine, depending if you have it. I do, so I only need this, and I'm going to get a pad. And then you're going to need the boost, right? So if you're kind of building it, I think you need those kind of 4 items. So you start with the $27, add this 8, 12, 12, and 16, and you're at $75 for the entire bundle. So as you can see, it's pretty affordable given most things are $150. And that's not even taking into account that you get my discount if you use my discount code. But, you know, this kind of walks you through the different things, right? You're going to wash it. You're going to prep it with the serum to get all the iron off the actual paint itself. You're going to polish it. You're going to wipe it down with some denatured alcohol. Then you're going to put the product on, the actual serum itself. You're going to let that sit for a period of time. Right, and then you're going to clean and dry. You know, once that dries, you're going to get that off. So, and then, you know, keep the car where it can't be wet for at least 24 hours. But, you know, you're really at that like $75 if I was building it myself, including the wash, right? And honestly, I think that is a great value. So you'll have all these products, right? You're not going to use them all up. You'll still have all the wash. You'll have a bunch of serum prep. You won't have any of the regular serum, but if you bought the 4 ounce, you would. You could, you know, have it again. I probably wouldn't let a product sit for a year, but anyway, you could do your other car, right? And you have the boost, and you have polish, which you can always use. So I think it's a great value. I'm excited to try it, and you'll get to see me in a video go through all the steps and try it.
All right, so I think you can see there's a lot of value here. This is really good price product. They make all the stuff themselves, so they're not buying it from someone else and reselling it, which is what a lot of manufacturers do. You can get this stuff really affordably, so I think this really puts it in the affordable range, right? It's a lot of work, no doubt. I have the car waxed with the DinoWax. You can tell she's really shiny, and I'm gonna have to strip all that off and get her ready starting from scratch, and then build her back up with all of the kind of stuff, the polishing, the getting the iron off, the, you know, getting the paint ready, all of those kind of things that I talked about earlier in the video, getting all of that stuff done so that she's ready to have that coat on, right? Because you don't want anything underneath when you're putting that coat over the top. Otherwise, you're sealing that, whatever you put there, a piece of dirt or whatever, you're sealing over it for, you know, I don't know how long it lasts, but I think the ceramic coatings last 6 months to a year. Given she doesn't go out that much and I tend to coat over coatings, I bet it lasts a lot longer than that for me. All right, so again, I am sponsored by DinoWax, but I don't think you guys can beat that price. I think it's worth a try at that cost point. So, hope you liked the video. I have a whole bunch more boxes that I gotta get to. I gotta get to doing some installations. My work life is really busy right now, and we are starting archery season soon too. So, just wanna let you guys know, I'm gonna do my best. I got my camera back and working, so that's a huge, huge plus to get us a video. But I'll do my best to get out these videos in a somewhat timely manner and do the best I can for you guys. I appreciate each and every one of you coming to the channel. Thank you so much to all the new subscribers, And in the meantime, while you're waiting for that next video, keep modding.